Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hawa and this is my very first YouTube video. I know my friends probably will say like, ah, finally she did it. And yes I did! After so many requests from my friends and people in my entourage telling me like how I should do like YouTube videos and stuff, but I was always like, I don't know. But anyhow, here I am doing a YouTube video showing you guys how to do this turban. So I hope you guys will like it. If you do, make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. And sorry, but don't mind my accent.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.